Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
We're really happy you're here with us today.
In today's episode, we're focusing on English conversations. Listening to conversations is a powerful way to improve your language skills.
Exactly. It helps you improve your listening, speaking, and overall understanding.
Let's start with a simple question. Do you prefer village life or city life?
That's a great topic. So, Tina, what do you think? Village life versus city life.
Personally, I prefer village life because it's peaceful and close to nature. What about you?
I've experienced both, and honestly, each has its pros and cons.
Right. Pros and cons means advantages and disadvantages.
Exactly. For example, in villages, people are usually more friendly and helpful, but facilities are limited.
True. In cities, there are more opportunities for education, jobs, and entertainment, but they're crowded and polluted.
I think it really depends on a person's lifestyle and priorities.
Yes. If someone wants a calm and simple life, the village is better. But if someone enjoys a fast paced life, the city is the right choice.
Also, village communities are closer. People support each other more.
While in cities, people tend to be more independent.
But cities offer more diversity and exposure to different cultures.
So overall, both lifestyles have their benefits. It's about what suits you best.
And ideally, experiencing both is the best option. Hey, Tina, I was thinking about getting a pet. What do you think?
Honestly, I'm not a big fan of keeping pets inside the house
Really? Why not?
because pets require a lot of responsibility. They can also cause allergies or health issues.
That's true, but pets can be great companions and help reduce stress.
I agree, but I worry about the mess and damage they might cause.
With proper training, pets can be well behaved.
That's fair. So, what kind of pet are you thinking about?
A dog. They're loyal and affectionate.
They are, but they need a lot of attention and exercise.
I have a flexible schedule, so I think I can manage. Plus, it'll help me stay active.
That sounds good. Just make sure you research properly before deciding.
Definitely. Thanks for the advice.
Hey, Justin, you don't look okay. What's wrong?
I'm not doing well. My girlfriend and I broke up.
I'm really sorry to hear that. What happened?
She cheated on me. I can't believe it.
That's really tough. I can't imagine how you feel.
I feel lost. I thought she was the one.
I understand, but you'll get through this. You deserve someone who treats you right.
It's just hard to accept.
Take some time for yourself. Focus on things that make you happy.
Thanks. That means a lot.
I'm always here for you. And remember, time heal learning tips.
Before we wrap up, let's talk about improving your English.
One of the best ways is to practice speaking regularly.
Try talking to yourself in English or having small conversations daily.
You can also record your voice. It may feel strange at first, but it really helps.
Yes, it improves confidence and pronunciation.
Speaking English is like a workout for your mouth. The more you practice, the better you get.
So keep practicing and stay consistency.
Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.